Hi guys, si Kadjo na naman and you're watching MU's Experience. Okay, para sa video na to, papakita natin sa inyo yung launching kailan lang nung Royal Enfield Classic 350. Ito, panoorin nyo.
Unveil the latest addition to the Royal Enfield family.
So right now, first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Joe, one of the sales here in Royal Enfield. Of course, my partner.
So, good morning everyone. Thank you for coming by at our booth in Inside Racing. So, actually, Royal Enfield has been making waves in the global motorcycle industry, breaking through with 1 million sales.
1 million sales, guys.
Last year worldwide.
So for the presentation of the new lineup, please, I'll give you Mr. John Mendoza, our marketing manager.
Yep.
Good morning, everybody.
Yan, si Jan.
Thanks to everyone for coming, to the members of the media. We're very grateful that you're here, and also to the general public. Today we are unveiling the Classic 350 from Royal Enfield. As you may all know, the Classic 350, it's really not a new model from Royal Enfield. It's been out since 2009, I believe. But let me tell you a story about the Classic 350s and what it's all about. Really, it's hard to talk about the Classic 350 without talking about the Royal Enfield Bullet, which came out sometime in 1921, I think. Okay?
Bullet, luman-luma po yun.
Slideshow.
Ang ganda po sales doon from ever since na lumabas ang
Please
Bullet.
bear with us. Medyo hindi pa naka-prep yung ating. Anyway, the Royal Enfield Classic 350 was based on an older model, the Bullet.
Later I will show you yung
back in
Bullet
1949,
350. Okay, here, the Bullet 350.
the G2 model of the Bullet 350 was unveiled. And our Classic 350 harkens back to that time. Okay?
Now it's the Classic 350. Ang laki pong pagbabago dyan.
Okay, so this is the Bullet 350, which is where it was based on. Okay, 1948, the Bullet 350 was updated with a very first in the world rear suspension. Ooh. So out of all the motorcycles in the world, it was Royal Enfield who developed the rear swinging arm.
Oh,
so dati walang suspension sa likod lahat ng motor. Royal Enfield lang po ang naglagay.
Royal Enfield lang pala. Royal Enfield lang pala. Unang-una na naglagay daw ng suspension sa likod.
Okay? And because of this invention of Royal Enfield, the swinging arm, they dominated in the enduro events, in the off-road challenges, particularly the international 6-day trials, wherein Mr. Johnny Britton dominated the competition.
Wow, galing.
So,
kilala ko yan, si Johnny
for 2 years,
Britton.
it was Royal Enfield lagi nag-champion kasi nga very advanced yung suspension system. Dito po nanggaling ang Classic 350. And as you can see, the design really hasn't changed that much. So if you want a really classic, an iconic British classic bike, it's really the Classic 350. So in 2008, they wanted a motorcycle that would break into the international scene, Royal Enfield. So they based it upon the 1948 model of the Bullet 350 and then called it the Classic 350. That is the heritage of the Classic 350. And this model also became the savior of Royal Enfield. Because back in those times, before Icar Motors bought Royal Enfield, papatay na si Royal Enfield noong 2004. But then this model brought it back to life because it was a successful model. It was very successful locally in India and worldwide also. Right, so that is the silhouette of the original Classic 350 throughout the years. Okay. So as you can see, it still has the classic lines and it bears, it's faithful to the original Bullet 350. Now, This is the old UCE engine. The original 1949 engine was in production until 2008, I think, yeah. Until 2008. So dire-diretso lang nila ginagawa yun, the same engine, until it was updated in 2008. And now it was, there's a new platform for it. Wala na po itong engine na to. Now we have with the J platform, which is a totally updated engine. It has balancing shafts. So very smooth engine, very few moving parts. It's a single overhead cam, very simple engine. And it merits a very reliable engine because of that. It's very under stressed engine. So it doesn't have that much power, but it is very reliable. Walang nasisira halos because very few moving parts and napakatipid sa gasolina. I believe the Royal Enfield Classic 350 can go up to 40 plus kilometers per liter.
Wow.
Okay, that's fuel mileage according to RI. So these are the photos. Oh, this is the updated Classic 500. Single seat, teardrop fuel tank front. The nacelle is where the instrument cluster is. It's been there since the first Classic Bullet 350, so it's still the same for now. The new Classic 350 has been in production for 16 years, and it's a very iconic model. We've sold about 3 million of these already around the world.
Wow, 3 million units.
So there's a cult following for the Classic 350. Now, the refreshed Classic 350. The Heritage Premium model has an update, has a switch gear indicator. Okay, it has a USB-C Type-C port, LED headlight, gear positions indicator, and also a tripper dash. So merong navigation na siya. The premium model. Signals also has everything except for the tripper dash. And yeah. So every model now has adjustable levers, unlike the old ones before. So it's easier to ride now because you can set your levers to your preference. So let's unveil the new Classic 350 for you all.
Alright. Ito na siya guys ha. Excited na ba kayo? Okay, kanya-kanya po sila.
Okay, so now, ladies and gentlemen, this is what we have all been waiting for. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? I can't hear you. That's right. So now you guys can check it out in person, up close and personal. You can sit on it. Just make sure that if you have keys on your waist, kindly keep it first.
Alright, so let me introduce the colorway that we have right now here in the booth. So first of all, we have here in the front is for the gun gray. Second thing here is the Commando, the Silk Block, the Medallion Bronze.
So guys, ito. Yung kulay nito. Makita nyo naman kung finish talaga lahat na acro. Wow! Ganda! At mayroon tayong rear grab handlebar and rear grab lang pala for your angkas. Beautiful. Yan, nagpapicturean lang po sandali. So naka-vibrate tayo na disc brake. Of course, ABS po ang harap, ang likod naka-disc brake pero hindi ABS. Very good. Ganda ng pagkakagawa ng kalidad nito. Teka, magpipicturean lang muna sila.
We're joining us today here at Royal Enfield.
Very quick lang, pare. Okay. What can they expect dito sa ating bagong...
appreciate your time and support.
Okay. Okay lang. Okay. Usually kasi pagka Royal Enfield, you don't expect that much performance. Walang tulad, hindi siya talaga matulad ng motor. Pero what I can tell you is, the experience is something else. So if you want a very uncomplicated motorcycle, which has heritage, it has an authentic heritage, this is what you need. You want to enjoy the ride, a Classic 350 is all you need. It's very fuel efficient, very comfortable, and the handling is very good. That's what I can say. For a classic bike, it handles very well.
Ngayon makikita nyo, napakaganda po talaga.
Classic 350 is here. So if you want to get up close and personal.
Beautiful. So price lang po ang hinahanap natin.
Sorry, one more thing.
Yan na,
we will
price.
have a price reveal. So if you
Alright.
can look at the screen so that you can see how much
Yan na ang
is the
price.
Classic 350.
Okay. Ang ganda naman po talaga na classic na classic, but pasok na pasok sa ating times. Alright.
Alright, so for the pricing, here we go. The Heritage Premium model, which is the medallion bronze, is available at only 230,000 pesos.
Kayang-kaya.
Affordable. Oh guys, yun po yung Royal Enfield Classic 350. Napakaganda pong motorcycle niyan na may history na po. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Tignan nyo na po yan sa mga dealership. Kung nagustuhan nyo, buy it. It's a good bike. Okay, yun lang po. Again, ako po si Kadyo, and I would like to see you guys next time.